guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be unboxing my order from FigFabLabs on Instagram. I'll link them right here in the bio. Super excited. This is one that I've wanted for a while, so let's go. Are we ready? Oh my god. So what I got is the classic red master body and head from FigFabLabs. It's based off of Shaak Ti from Lego Star Wars The Complete Saga, who is my favorite character to play in the video game, and my favorite character in Star Wars actually overall. The printing is really, really detailed. It looks amazing. I'm gonna put a reference picture in. On the website, it says they do UV digital printing with child-safe ink, which I think is really cool because if you wanted to buy one of these for your child who puts things in their mouth, this is gonna be safe for giving to a child. The texture is a little different than the regular ABS plastic, but you truly, like, unless it's on an angle, you can't tell. The printing is identical to the Lego Star Wars The Complete Saga video game version. This figure costs $17 on the FigFabLabs website, which I think is pretty reasonable because this is a really, really good recreation. They also have pieces for Chancellor Palpatine and Luminara, and also plenty of other printed pieces for Lego Star Wars and other Lego themes as well. This minifigure did not come with her cape or her Montreal Leku headpiece. I can source those from other places though. For what I paid, this is fabulous. I am really excited to have this in my collection. I've obviously wanted it for forever because I've been a fan of Shaak Ti for forever, and I've loved playing Lego Star Wars for forever. So I'm super excited to have this. I'm going to link FigFabLabs in my description of this video, and when I get the rest of my pieces, I'll do another video. So thank you so much for watching. Peace, y'all.